Is my hair sticking to it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? See, that's the static electricity.
That's what happens when you slide down a slide.
Mm-hmm. You
Gets
want
all
to try it?
sticky.
Yeah. Go ahead. So I'm going to take this now. By doing this, it's kind of like charging the balloon, okay? Now watch. And we can make it dance because it's attracted to the electricity that the balloon has on it after rubbing my head. Isn't that pretty cool? You guys want to try it? Yeah. Okay. Gotta kind of get it going.
I think you have rub your head more.
Yeah, probably. There we go. Let's see.
It's sticking.
Oh, it is. Look at her. It's sticking to her. Okay.
I have a lot.
You want to come try? You want to come try make them dance? Okay, rub it on your head again. Very good. Now put it right over the ghost. Let's see. Just come down just a little bit more. There you go.